what happens when juicy shrimp, fresh herbs, and perfectly cooked pasta come together. You're about to find out. We start with a pot of boiling water, adding a generous pinch of sea salt to build flavor from the very first step. In goes the fettuccine, slowly softening into silky ribbons that will become the heart of this irresistible pasta salad. As the pasta cooks, a drizzle of oil shimmers in a hot pan. Fresh garlic hits the surface with a satisfying sizzle, releasing an aroma that instantly fills the kitchen. This is where the magic begins. Then the cherry tomatoes join the party. As they warm, they soften just enough to release their sweet, juicy goodness, creating bursts of freshness in every bite. Next come the shrimp, plump, tender, and ready for flavor. A sprinkle of your favorite seasoning transforms them into golden bites of perfection. They cook quickly, turning beautifully pink and slightly caramelized around the edges. A handful of freshly chopped parsley is sprinkled over the top, adding vibrant color and a bright, garden-fresh finish. Cooked fettuccine is drained and tossed with the seasoned shrimp, garlic, tomatoes, and fresh parsley. Everything comes together in a colorful mix that looks as good as it tastes. Like, share and save this recipe for your next lunch, picnic, or family gathering. One look, one bite, and you'll understand why the shrimp and pasta salad disappears so fast. Now for the best part, the serving. The pasta is gently plated, the shrimp arranged perfectly on top, and the tomatoes glisten like little jewels throughout the dish. Every forkful delivers tender pasta, savory shrimp, sweet tomatoes, and fresh herbs in one unforgettable bite. This isn't just a pasta salad. It's a celebration of fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and simple cooking done right.